the glow of Christmas night, a little girl waits alone for her parents to come home. In the cold and snow, dreams take her to a world where magic comes alive. Skiing down the hills, with joy she does derive. A candy town appears, with colors so bright. Lollipops twirl around in the soft moonlight. The wonders of